So let's dive into the listing presentation and the value that this is going to provide for you when we pull all these things together into one place. So let's just start this presentation as you're sitting down with your consumer. This obviously is for the Fulcrum Properties Group. This is how their branding looks. And I'll just fly through this real quick. Here's guiding the consumer through the process. I'm going to go through this really quick because there's a lot of things that go through in here. Steps to succeed. Here's the power of working with our team. Here's, maybe you want to go through meet the team and all the people on my team. Here's some testimonials. Those basic things that you see or that you put in your listing presentations. We're going to give you the capabilities to put those in here. What does our marketing plan look like? What are some of the details around that marketing plan? We're going to come through here. Here's some of the listing, some of the print materials that we're going to offer up as to our consumers, people that list with us. Here's an example of one of the video tours that we do. Here's what our digital presence looks like. Here's an example of what our print marketing looks like, and show them, make them interactive for your consumer right there in the middle of that listing presentation. Here's the social impact that we're going to make. Here's the ads that we're going to put out there. You're going to be able to edit these directly in the listing presentation also. Here's what migration patterns look like. Conditions for selling real estate around pricing. Price matters. Again, this is just more information that you want, whatever you want to provide to your consumer, we're going to give you these capabilities to provide it. Now we walk into the pricing conversation, which is around that CMA. It's a combination of the CMA and that qualitative comparison that your consumer already did. Here's all the basic stats that we see, what's happening. Here's what activity looks like in the area. Here's what, maybe some of the local insights that we have for you in the area. They're gonna be able to see that right there in front of them. And then here's what the CMA looks like. This is just that spreadsheet of here's the solds, here's the pendings, here's the actives. And at the same time, you can click into these and get more information around those properties right there with your consumer. Because of those CMAs, because of all the information that we have on the back end around pricing and how houses are not only performing in that market, but also in that neighborhood and in that street, we're able to provide you with some accurate forecasting of prices and what's going to happen over time. And we're going to give you, the agent, the ability to set your different paths that you want to put in place for that consumer. So we're going to give you this ability right here to show you the different paths of pricing, what they look like if you want to overview and compare them. And then go through, okay, here's my listing packages. That is our listing presentation. I know it was big. It can be as small or as big as you want it to be. You can add to it, you can subtract from it. But the core of that was to show you all the pieces across Command and the cloud and Kelly coming together to give you the ability to help price homes better and sell homes faster.